Originating in the Scottish Highlands, the Golden Retriever was engineered for a highly specific job, navigating dense marshes to retrieve heavy waterfowl without damaging the bird. They required immense stamina, a weather-resistant coat, and an intense desire to work alongside humans. Over the last century, that working drive translated perfectly into the role of the ideal American companion. That cultural status reached the highest levels of influence, marked by Gerald Ford bringing his Golden Retriever, Liberty, into the Oval Office. A few years later, Ronald Reagan kept his own Golden Retriever, Victory, cementing the breed's reputation as the ultimate symbol of the American family. But that pristine reputation hides a difficult biological reality. The extreme genetic selection that gave us their highly reliable, eager-to-please temperament also severely compromised their physical architecture. This chart plots utility against risk. Golden Retrievers land in the extreme top right, balancing maximum behavioral reliability with maximum medical liability. Expanding this reveals specific threats: high probabilities of hip and elbow dysplasia, staggering cancer rates, and congenital heart conditions like subvalvular aortic stenosis. Keeping a Golden Retriever healthy and functional requires a deliberate strategy. We are going to map out the exact investments in sourcing, veterinary management, and behavioral training required to successfully maintain this specific breed. Buying a Golden Retriever is an active, long-term investment in genetics. The decisions you make before the dog is even born dictate the medical bills you will pay 5 years later. The first major variable is lineage. American breeders historically selected for a leaner dog with a darker coat and a high hunting drive, following American Kennel Club standards. European breeders followed the British Kennel Club, prioritizing a stockier build, a lighter coat, and different ancestral lines. This chart measures cancer probability. American Golden Retrievers carry a 70% chance of developing cancer. For English Goldens, that drops to 23%. Mapping this data over time, lifespan expectations shift. American lines average 8 to 10 years, while English lines average 11 to 13 years. Regardless of the lineage you choose, ethical breeders rely on a strict, non-negotiable metric: the Golden Retriever Club of America's 4-point clearance. This checklist outlines the required anatomical baseline. A reputable breeder will provide documentation showing the parent's hips and elbows are free of inherited dysplasia, their hearts are clear of murmurs, and their eyes have been screened for late-onset conditions like pigmentary uveitis. Puppies with English lineage and full GRCA clearances command a steep premium upfront. But paying that higher initial price drastically reduces your probability of facing a deferred medical bankruptcy down the road. Once you bring the dog home, the responsibility shifts to your post-purchase preventative care. The two biggest threats to a Golden Retriever's daily comfort are when you alter their hormones and how you manage their weight. For decades, the standard practice in the U.S. was to spay or neuter dogs well before their first birthday. But a comprehensive veterinary study out of UC Davis analyzed the health records of over 700 Golden Retrievers to test how this affects joint disease. Visualizing the UC Davis findings, for male Golden Retrievers neutered before 12 months, hip dysplasia incidence completely doubles. The mechanism is direct. Dogs require reproductive hormones to signal bone growth plates to close. Removing hormones early allows bones to grow unevenly, creating unstable joints. Waiting a full year to neuter a male Golden Retriever means you will have to actively manage an intact, high-energy adolescent dog. It requires strict supervision, constant leash discipline, and secure fencing to prevent roaming. The second pillar of protecting their joints is weight management. Veterinarians use body condition scoring to evaluate a dog's fat coverage and muscle tone, actively preventing obesity before it destroys the dog's mobility. Golden Retrievers have a notoriously hearty appetite and will happily eat themselves into a state of severe obesity. You have to implement strict measuring cup portion control to override their natural food-seeking behavior. The long-term return on investment is clear. Prioritizing correct bone development and lean joint integrity heavily outweighs the short-term convenience of early neutering and free feeding. If your physical maintenance protocols are solid, you can tap into the breed's incredible functional utility. Because of their intelligence, Goldens are frequent candidates for working roles, but the legal distinctions between those roles are absolute. Forging a psychiatric service dog is not a weekend project. It requires 18 to 24 months of rigorous, specialized training to ensure the dog can perform complex medical tasks while remaining completely neutral in crowded public spaces. This flowchart breaks down working designations. Service dogs are trained for specific mitigating tasks for a diagnosed disability, granting them ADA public access rights. Emotional support animals provide home comfort with fair housing rights, but zero public access. Therapy dogs comfort others in facilities by explicit invitation only. A naturally friendly pet is not a service dog. Knowing exactly which legal framework you need prevents public access violations and ensures the dog is actually equipped to do the job. Based on the data, the Golden Retriever is an incredible asset, provided you apply the right parameters to your specific situation. This scorecard summarizes the protocols. First, for the budget-conscious pet seeker. If the premium for a dog with GRCA clearances is unaffordable, avoid the breed entirely. Buying a cheap Golden Retriever usually guarantees severe medical debt later. For the optimizer looking for maximum lifespan and comfort, source an English lineage to drop your cancer risk, delay neutering past 12 months, and maintain strict body condition scores to protect their joints. For the individual requiring a working service dog, you must be prepared to commit 18 to 24 months of your time to shape their raw intelligence into ADA-compliant task training. The Golden Retriever is never a plug-and-play asset. You get unparalleled behavioral reliability, deep loyalty, and high utility, but that output requires a deliberate, non-negotiable trade for high biological maintenance.